Hey guys, Mike Power here, and today we're installing the all-new TYPE S Dashcam. The new generation TYPE S Dashcam has a 4K front-facing camera and a 2K driver-facing camera. The build quality and sleek design of this dashcam definitely stands out amongst the rest. It will complement any vehicle interior you put it in, along with being able to withstand any abuse you put it through. The dual lens Dual View Dashcam is a perfect addition for your vehicle, whether you're a rideshare driver, commuter, or even racer like myself. This dashcam will record your driving experience, whether it's good or bad. Installing the camera is incredibly easy, and you have a few options of how you'd like to mount it and route your wiring. The dash camera is powered by your vehicle either through a 12-volt accessory port or your battery. I'll show you a few ways to install the camera now. First, you want to locate your dashcam mounting position. We suggest behind the mirror or near an A-pillar. Just make sure it's not obstructing your view. Next, you want to locate your 12-volt accessory socket. Make sure you use the cable that's supplied so you don't run into any compatibility issues. Also, make sure you test the camera before you put it in its fixed mounting position. In some applications, you may need to utilize the extension cable depending on your vehicle or your mounting location. Your GPS along with various ports are located in the windshield mount, so you want to make sure that you don't obstruct it. Before installing your camera, take the time to find your SD card. This camera comes with a 16 gig but can go up to a 256 gig. You don't need to worry about whether memory is enough. The camera automatically loop records and overwrites old footage with new footage once your memory is full. In case you have important footage of an accident, the G sensor inside the camera will automatically lock the footage once it senses a sudden movement such as hard braking or an impact. So first you're going to take your camera and install the windshield mount. Then install the windshield bracket. Use the windshield bracket with the supplied 3M double-sided tape to securely mount your camera. Plug the power cable into the camera and begin routing. We recommend routing the cable on the passenger side so it's not in the driver's way. For more of a semi-permanent installation, you can route the cable behind an A-pillar or under your floor mat. Plug the cable into your vehicle and start your vehicle. Now you can adjust both lenses. Another option is to hardwire the camera permanently to your vehicle using the optional TYPE S hardwire kit. Having constant power to the dashcam will allow the camera to automatically wake up while it's parked in case of a collision. So now there's no need to worry about draining the battery since the cable automatically regulates the power. To install the hardwiring kit, we're going to be using our fuse panel. My fuse panel is located on the passenger footwell. Your fuse panel might be in a different location, so make sure you refer to your vehicle's user manual. Alright, so now our TYPE S Dashcam is installed. Let's try it out and go for a drive. So now you're wondering, how do I get my event footage? The TYPE S Dashcam moves your event footage into a separate folder so it's really easy to find. You can see the stunning 4K high definition footage from your front facing camera, along with the 2K high definition footage from your rear facing camera, all in 30 frames per second. There you have it. For other information and other products, head over to typesauto.com. I'm Mike Power. I'll see you guys next time.